get into a second part of Manipura. Manipura is about power, it's about our will and the fire of transformation. So anything, any dream you want to become true, you need to put some effort, not just dream about it. And this is about this archetype and the qualities that we have in our consciousness. And a very nice archetype, a representation of that power is Durga. Durga is one of the oldest woman archetypes or goddesses in Hinduism, or not just Hinduism, but I mean in the Vedic tradition, because it goes back thousands years, and it represents the mother archetype like we have in Slavic, in Germanic. There is always these old gods and goddesses, and the mother nature, or the mother protector, and she's the only one that's got this fiery quality as well from the female goddesses, because otherwise this power, will to fight, is always connected to males. But with this mother archetype, because mother needs to protect their children, so educate them with the stick. Educate them with the stick. So where you usually feel if something is not correct, something is not perfect, you feel bad emotions, you have a fear or anxiety. People usually suffer with the problems in their stomach. It's connected to solar plexus and to this nerve part of our nervous system that's affecting our organs in the belly, in the navel. So if you feel helpless and a low esteem, and all these issues are connected to our physical body, especially in this part of the body, in the organs, because they are the organs that allow us to transform the food into energy, into parts of our body. This is the fire of the transformation, metabolism, and that's connected to this quality as well. If we don't have enough power, don't have enough energy, we can't transform the food, we can't transform emotions, experiences, and we feel bad about ourselves and the world around us, and this is connected to this metabolism quality in our physical part. And it's still connected to that psychological quality called tamas. Tamas is like darkness, it's stability, but it's also a darkness. It could be a depression, laziness, ability not to move, not to get enough power, enough will to stand for yourself and to go into the world and achieve something. So this is the quality of the guna called tamas. And the element of this quality is fire, and it's also connected to chakras. If you remember, there are several chakras, and these chakras have this quality of the material world. The lowest chakra is the quality of the earth, and higher we go, more subtle these elements become. And the burning fire, the fire of the transformation and fire of changing the things, and also burning the bad stuff. Raja, our teacher, he always said, imagine this is the time when you need to burn all your shit, all your bad stories that you tell to yourself about yourself, how you feel about your self-esteem, what you think about yourself, all the bad stories you tell to yourself. You need to burn them, you need to burn all this shit and release it so you can move forward. And we are the only animal in the world that's returning back in our memories to past and punishing ourselves several times over about our mistakes. We did a small little mistake in about our kids or in our childhood. We stole a stuff from our friend or cheated on someone, and then you think about it your whole life, like and as we are returning back to these stories, we are not doing anything good for ourselves. So we need to burn all this shit that it's inside of us and release it, so we have enough space for the good stuff to fill ourselves with.